At end of day 4 on the 1981 CB750, and we worked on the frame today. We cut off the center stand mounts and put some primer down just because it's bare metal, you know, grinded off the welds and all that. Same thing up here with the rear seat hump. Added a brace across the back. That's what we're going to attach the KZ style rear fairing on. That curved rear piece on those KZs I think is going to go really well with this curved tank of the CB. I think it's really just going to complement it really well. Like I said, just took the helmet piece, helmet bracket off, and grinded that down again. Just shot a little rattle can primer on there to keep it clean. That's the starter cover. It was pretty rusty. The other thing we did today was clean the engine. Used the gunk foamy. We used Purple Power, and there you see. I like using a cycle stand for the engine. I can lower it down and then roll it kind of over onto the exhaust side and clean the underside, the oil pan and all that really good. Again, we're not, these aren't show bikes. These are bikes to be ridden. This is just to get it nice and clean. We'll polish it up a little bit more, but today was primarily to get all the gunk and stuff off of it. As you well know, the oxidation removal is a whole different animal, and just depending on how much work you want to put in, how pretty you want it to be. We keep ours just pretty basic because ours are bikes. We don't sell them, we don't show them, we ride them. So that's end of day 4.